Hi my super sweet crafty friends, welcome to my channel Carolina's Creations Handmade. If you're new, please subscribe and click the bell button down below so you don't miss any of my videos. And today I wanted to share with you some inspiration, and this is super nice to decorate the place settings for your holiday dinners. You can actually also gift this to your family, friends. You can use this as stocking stuffers. It's a little late for me to share this, but I really didn't have time to do it earlier. But this is what I do. I decorate the little champagne bottles, and I make these little nugget holders, the little Ferrero Rocher nugget holders. And this I put as party favors, and I place them at the place settings at the table so people can take this away with them. I don't actually open the bottles at the dinner because it's not chilled. And you know, champagne, warm champagne, it's horrible. So this is actually intended to be party favors. And this is super easy to make, this little nugget holder. I'm going to try to post a tutorial sometime tonight. It may be really late because I'm running like a chicken with no head right now. But I wanted to share with you this to give you an idea. And this I decorate using this little wreath that I make, and I have a tutorial on how to make them. I'm going to link to it here and down in the description below. I use a punch from Martha Stewart to make this little wreath. This punch has been discontinued, but you can find a similar punch from Tim Holtz and also EK Success. And if you can use any dies that you have with branches, they will actually work also for this. So I hope that this is a good inspiration for you to decorate your Christmas table or holiday table or the New Year's table. I also do for New Year's the party poppers, and I include them along with this little favors to make a little set. And I hope you guys like them. And again, I wish you all a very Merry Christmas, very happy holidays for all of you who don't celebrate Christmas, and a very happy and successful and healthy New Year to all of you guys. And I'm going to try to post a tutorial for this one sometime tonight. If I don't, I'll have to leave it for later. But thank you so much guys again for your love, for your support, for being there all this year. I really appreciate each and every one of you. I'm sending you tons of love, and happy holidays and a very happy new year to each and every one of you. Love you guys. Welcome to all my new subscribers, and thank you so much to all of you, my super sweet crafty friends, for all your love and support. And I hope to see you back here soon for another video. Bye bye. Love you guys. Mwah.